I love pussy, right? Yeah, I love pussy. It's part of nature. It's nature. Yeah, you get yourself one, get yourself pussy today. Yeah, it's not a sin. It's never a sin. Pussy is good. It helps your health. For those that believe in nature, you just have to get yourself a pussy. Even you too, as a lady, get yourself a dick too. This is nature. It's never a sin. That is why there's protection out there. You can use protections. You understand? Just be safe. Do your thing. Do your thing. I'll always pray for you. Right now, I release favor for you. Doors are open for you. Miracle alert on your phone. Malados Kipalada Sido Shuda Alados Kipalada Diabalagada. Money come to you constantly now by my power and ability. I see somebody, you're about to be blessed. Yes, I see money entering your phone before the day ends, right? You're gonna smile. You are going to celebrate. I see a lot of testimony for you. Power. It is your turn. Okay? Wipe that tears. It is time for you to dance.